Hey everybody, Carlos Romero here, and welcome back to another video. And right now we're in a winter storm. This is a big snowstorm, so anyways, enjoy. We have to go.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, people. I'm recording in the middle. I'm recording in a winter storm. Right now I'm at Walmart. I'm not gonna get it. Alright, people, we are now. Wow. Wow, people, this looks. Wow. There's already like snow on the ground here. And now we're going to be leaving the Walmart. We are now leaving the Walmart. This is similar to the one that happened in November 2018. But this time it's very big. Wow. I'm literally driving in a winter storm, so I could capture this for you guys. Anyways, we're going to be getting on Route 30 West. Okay, we are now getting on Route 30 West. Well, driving in a winter storm. Alright. We are now getting on to Route 30 West. Okay. 30 West to 283, York, and Harrisburg. What are you doing? Alright, guys, we're now getting back on to Route 30 West. We have to go slow, people. Alright. So now, we're driving in the winter on Route 30 Westbound. Sorry. That was another phone. We are literally driving in the middle of a snowstorm. Driving on Route 30 West. Because I want to show you guys how amazing this is. And geez, why couldn't we have this snowstorm on Christmas? Because Christmas would have been the perfect time for this to happen. If you ask me, this snow goes with Christmas. Alright, people. We're getting off. And there's the Visitor Information Center. I think this might be sleet now. This is why very few people are driving on the road. What happened? Alright. So now we are exiting Route 30. And getting onto Route 31. Getting onto Greenfield Road. And there's the McDonald's. The drive-thru's open, but it doesn't look like the building's open. It doesn't look like the interior's open. They are remodeling it. So now it looks like I can't eat at McDonald's. But that's a temporary thing. Because I have Wendy's. Wendy's is similarly like McDonald's in my opinion. And look. Alright people, we're gonna go enter into Costco. Look guys, you're not ready for this. You're not ready for this. There's snow here. There's already snow falling through here. Wow. Wowee. This is similar to what happened in November 2018. It was early. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna stop here. I'll be back later. Alright guys, I'm back. Wowee, is this one heavy. Looks like Christmas out here. Alright. Sounds like we're done at Costco. We're gonna get back out. Because I want to give you guys an in-depth look